Ooh la la. Look at that. I thought you just want to play water, but look at you. Oh, naligo na siya, loves. Tingnan nyo naman tong anak ko. Basang-basa na. Sabi niya lang, maglalaro lang siya dyan. Usually, naglalaro lang siya niyan, tapos nilalagay niya sa, yung mga laruan niya dyan. Ngayon, tingnan nyo naman, gusto nang maligo. Gusto nang maligo. Naman yan, oh. Talaga naman. Sunny day. We were going to the park, Raiden, okay? Let's get ready, okay? After that, okay? Mommy gonna change your clothes and let's get ready and let's go to the park. Off to go, loves.
We're going to the park.
Yes, we're going to the park. Park kami, loves, kasi ang ganda yung weather. Hindi kami natuloy kasi sa hub. So, mag-park na lang kami.
Well,
Yeah, mommy gonna put your seatbelt in a minute, okay? Just wait a second. Okay, you want me to fix you? Want me to fix this? Oh, that's... Ganyan yung gusto mo? Huh? Okay, we're going now, loves. We're going to the park and... Yeah. And mag-picnic kami doon. Nagdala lang ako ng snacks and blanket. And some drinks, water. Gusto ko sana pumunta ng shop. Kaso lang dito kasi yun sa way na yan, loves. Gusto ko dito na diretso na kami dito. Kaya iniisip ko, we're going to the shop or what? Meron naman kaming snacks dito. So, eto na lang siguro. Yes. Mamaya na lang, loves, ha? Dito na kami, loves. Papasok na kami ng play area. Gusto ko sana siyang maglakad. Sabi niya, no. So, okay. Doon na lang siya maglakad-lakad, magtakbo-takbo sa may kung saan kami magpipiknik-piknik. Kami lang ni Raiden kasi may pasok si Habi. Wow. Mind your head, please. Thank you. Very good. Whoa. Jump. Jump. Ready, steady, go. Beep beep. Brum. Beep. Wow, good driving. Mind your head, please. Very good. It's a monkey. Whoop. That slide. That's so smooth, so fast. Yeah, you are strong. Mind your head, please. Thank you. Very good. Well done. Be careful. Ready, steady, go. Well done, boy. That's a fish. Yes, a fish. Yes, a fish. And this is star. And this is a shell.
And it is ours.
Yes, you have to put the fish there, going back there. And the star is, you can go here or you can put on the right place. Same on the shell. You can play with this. You can just move around and put it back. Put on the right place. Here. Oh, see? That's right. Hold tight, hold. You have to hold tight. Here, hold tight. Okay. Okay, and move one more time. Okay. Very good. And hold tight. Mind your head. Very good. Good job. Good job. Okay.
Whoa!
Whee, so fast. One. Two. Three. Okay, hold tight. Hold tight. Hold tight. Oh, mind your head, please. Okay. Okay.
What's that? Cut.
Where? Oh, it's a cut there. Oh. There's a meow meow.
What's that frog?
Oh, there's a frog. That's right.
What's that? Frog.
Yeah, it's a frog. And there's some
Sheep.
sheep. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a dog. I think it's a dog.
Dog.
Yeah.
What's that? Rabbit.
Yeah.
Rabbit.
Mm-hmm.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Rabbit? Is it a rabbit? Picnic kami ng baby boy ko. Dito lang kami nakahiga. Happy? Dito lang. Picnic lang. Look at the tree. Look at the trees.
Owl. Owl. Owl.
Awo?
Owl. Owl.
Awo, awo.
Duck. 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 Duck.
Duck? There's a trees and some. What color of the leaves?
Green.
Green. Very good.
Green. Green. Huh? Green.
Green. The leaves is green.
Yellow. Yellow.
Yellow. Green.
Yellow. White.
What color of the sky? What the color of sky?
Blue.
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 And the clouds. What the color of the clouds?
White.
White. Very good. You're really good.
Wait.
The bird. There's a bird.
B. Bird.
B. Bird.
B. Bird.
B. B. Bird. Beep. Naku. Hi. Hi guys, look at my son and yes, we are at andito pa rin kami sa park.
Hi.
Yeah, we are still here.
Come here.
Yeah. We are going back home now, love. Slowly walk kasi nga pagpatulugin ko si Raiden. Magnanap ang baby boy ko. Pag nanapin ko siya, and then kasi ako mag-exercise din ako ng konti. Uwi na kami. Sayang yung paddling pool doon. Hindi kasi na-open. Ewan ko. Kailan yan mag-o-open. Open naman yan nung nakaraan. Yung mga beginning ng summer. Mga May ata. Yun eh. Open siya. Tapos ngayon parang nag-close sila. Tapos under maintenance. Hanggang ngayon di pa rin open. Nandito kami sa ilalim ng puno. Oh. Hi loves. Good evening. Hindi na ako nakapag-update kanina nung galing kami sa park. So, gabi na po. 7 p.m. Pero tingnan niyo po ang labas. 7 p.m. na po yan, loves. Parang tanghaling tapat o pahapon. So, yun, loves. Check ko lang yung anak ko. Oh dear. So, yun, loves. Today, yung vlog ko is ikakat ko siya kasi ikukontinue ko na lang tomorrow. Tomorrow kasi may mga asikasuhin pa ako dito sa bahay. So, malapit na ang ating travel. 2 days na lang. And then, travel na kami. Nagluto pala ako ng corn. Yan. And then, nagboiled ako ng egg. Kasi ito yung kakainin ko lang for dinner. And si Mr. baka kumakamain din siya. So yun, loves. Hanggang dito lang ang ating vlog. Kasi tomorrow na lang ikukontinue ko siya. Ikakat ko siya para buo yung vlog ko. Kasi hindi ko maisisingit yung lahat yung ngayon. Kasi yun nga, meron pa namang bukas. So bukas na lang, loves. So alam nyo naman, nag-upload tayo ng MWF. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Yun lang muna po ang kaya natin. Hindi ko po kaya yung everyday. Kapag nakapag-build na po ako ng audience and ang subscribers, more subscribers, then we will see po kapag nag-demand po yung ating subscriber. So as of now po is nandun pa lang po tayo sa process na nag-ano pa rin tayo, slowly na makapag gain ng subscribers and audience po. So yun, hanggang dito lang po ang ating vlog. Tomorrow ulit, I hope you like it today and tomorrow again. Please subscribe, like, and share. I see you on tomorrow on my next vlog. Bye-bye. Good morning. Yung anak ko, ganyan yan kapag makita niya nagbablog ako or narinig niya na nagbablog na ako. Inawa na ako. Sinisingitan ako ng intro. Tingnan mo, lalapit siya. Hello, loves! Good morning! I hope you're doing great! Tapos. So, yun, loves. Good morning. I hope you're doing great. Today is Tuesday and one day to go and we are going to Philippines. We will have a flight from Birmingham to, we have a connecting flight. So, yun, loves. Ngayon is Tuesday and naglaba-laba ako. And papakita ko sa inyo yung mga dala naming bagahe mamaya. Hindi pa siya, natapos na, pero may iilan pa. Pero na yun, as in, super tapos na talaga. Yung mga hand carry na lang. So, naglalaba ako today. Yan. 14 minutes na lang siya. And, dalhin ko kayo sa taas. Kasi nga, nandun yung, bagahe. Papakita ko sa inyo yung bagahe namin. Wait a second, okay? Sumama naman tong isa. Ito yun, loves, yung aming luggage. So, meron kami nito. And then, ito, sa sa cabin. And itong malaki. Of course, sa cargo yan. Tsaka ito sa cargo. So, yun lang yung luggage namin, loves. And then, meron akong hand carry bag. And then, meron pa mga susuotin namin. At meron din si Habi ng isang hand carry na backpack. So, yun lang yung bag namin, love. What is it? Sour. Sour? What is that?
Lemon.
Lemon, yes. Lemon. Dito kami sa taas. Butterfly. Yes, that's right. B is for butterfly. Naglaba pala ako, loves, ng damit ng anak ko. So, nandito siya sa labas. Kasi nga kanina makulimlim, pero kasi yung weather ngayong araw is on and off, mainit, malamig. Pero at least may sun siya. And yes, kakapakain ko lang sa kanya ng lunch, hindi pa ako nag-lunch. Dito lang kami sa dito lang ako, maupo-upo lang ako dito muna, pansamantala. And ayun, after niya na maglaba-laba ako, loves, dilig ako ng halaman. Alam mo naman ang routine natin dito as a mom, stay mom. Hi! Oh, barbecue. Yeah, that's a smoky house where you can make a barbecues, smoke ham, meat, sausages, and you can also make a pizza there. So, yun yung smoky house namin, loves. Oh, dear. Wow, you're eating corn. Can I see? Wow, good job. Yes, color yellow. Can you hold it, please? Hold. Good job. Good eating. Very good. Timpla lang ako, loves, ng Milo, and then tinapay lang tayo for lunch. Diet tayo ngayon kasi sa Pinas walang diet doon. Kakainin natin lahat kasi minsan lang yon. Minsan lang tayo umuwi, bihira. So first time mo umuwi, Raiden, yeah. So my son, it's his first time na uuwi ng Pinas, and then ako ay, of course, after 3 years finally uuwi na rin ng Pinas. And then si Mr. naman ganun din kasi nag-visit yan doon sa Pinas nung nandun ako sa Pinas eh. Ay, windy. So, merienda lang ako, loves. Hi, loves. Good afternoon. It's 6 p.m. now in the evening. And my little one just woke up from nap. And ako naman, nagkuha lang ako ng sinampay ko at tinupi ko. Andito siya ngayon sa garden. Super kanina, medyo nahirapan ako sa kanya magpatulog kasi grumpy siya sobra. Iyak siya ng iyak. So, alam ko na kapag grumpy na siya, antok na yan, gusto nang matulog, hindi lang niya makuha yung tulog niya, yung paano matulog. Di ba may mga ganon? Mag-grumpy muna yung bata bago makatulog. So, yun. Nandito kami sa garden. Yan, pakita ko sa iyo mamaya yung, oh no. Oh dear. Oh dear. What do you want? What do you want? What is this? Oh, what do you want me to get? Kasi tinapon niya yung lahat ng mga laruan niya dyan, loves. So ngayon, kailangan ko siyang kunin. Inuutusan niya akong kunin yung mga laruan niya. Tingnan mo naman, loves, yung mga laruan niya, oh. Pinagtatapon niya. Look at this. Your toys, your balls, and everything there. Teka lang. Ito yung mga tinupi kong, loves, na damit ni Raiden. Ipasok na natin sa loob kasi yung ibang damit dyan kasi idadalhin ko rin doon sa biyahe. So nilaban ko na siya. Mayroon pa malalaban kasi 'di ba 2 days pa 1 night and 2 days, parang ganun. So yun. Lagay ko lang. Hi, loves. Good evening. Update po. Kakapakain ko lang kay Raiden ng dinner. Alam nyo, loves, minsan naisip ko, kasi itong phone ko wala pa siyang wala pa yung niya, yung meron na actually dumating na, kaya lang hindi ko gusto. Tsaka sobrang taas. So pwede ko naman pala kayong ilagay dito, halimbawa dyan. Tapos magsasalita ko, lang medyo malayo. So yun, loves, update pala. I can't wait na mag-vlog ulit na, alam mo yun, yung hindi ko hawak-hawak lagi yung camera, yung nakalagay lang dyan sa tabi. Tapos, magbablog ako, maglilinis ng bahay, or maghuhugas, magluluto, or ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ginagawa ko. Kasi so far kasi, loves, itong ginagawa ko, hawak ko lagi yung camera. Kasi nga, wala pa akong standing ba. Kasi nga, yung sa akin, stick yun, pero wala siya yung parang mag-hold siya. Kaya ginagawa ko, pwede ko siyang ilagay dyan sa malayo. Oval, yes. So, yun loves, hanggang dito lang yung vlog natin today. Continue po siya ng kahapon and today. And then, yun lang loves. Next vlog neto loves ay yung araw na ng pag-alis namin. So, abangan nyo. Excited na kaming mag-travel. Good luck talaga sa first time to. So, good luck na lang talaga kasi ngayon, di ba may anak kami. So, good luck na lang. You wanna say good night to them? Good night. See ya. Next vlog, it will be in Philippines or in flight. Yes, loves. So, yun loves. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, like, and share. I see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye. Philippine vlog next time.